Dear students, the last topic from the area, sources of business finance include the different factors affecting the choices of the sources of funds. So, don't be in a hurry. Whenever we are going to collect the funds, we have to use a proper way of sources of raising funds to the organization. So after considering lot of factors, we can collect funds. So whenever there is a financial emergency, we have to consider the following factors for raising funds. So remember, the first point is related to the cost of raising funds. So every time there will be a small amount of expense related to raising of finance. Sometimes in case of issue of share debenture, it will be high, but in case of retained bonus fund, it is very low. So remember, depending upon the cost involved in the procurement of funds, we have to raise finance. So cost of utilizing the fund is very important criteria while we are choosing one source of raising finance. And another one is the financial strength and stability of operation. Financial strength and stability of operation of the company. Suppose the company have a poor financial position, they have to depend more on the borrowed funds instead of owners funds. No need to issue shares, but they have to raise funds by depending upon bank loan or any other small source. That is another criteria. And the form of organization and legal status of the organization is another criteria we have to give importance while choosing a source of funds. Every time, depending upon the form of organization. Suppose it is a large scale organization, they need lot of funds, so they can depend upon the issue of share. So three criteria: cost, financial strength of the company, form of organization. And another one is purpose and time period for which the fund is needed. Purpose and time period for which fund is needed. Already we have discussed the fund can be raised through short term, medium term, and a long term sources of business finance. So depend upon it. If we need the fund for short period, we can choose short term sources of finance, and if it is for a long period, we can use more borrowed fund. Also, we can issue shares. Then, a risk profile of the company is another criteria. Risk profile of the source we are going to choose. Every time we have to elect a proper source which have lower level of risk. Suppose we are giving more importance for issuing equity shares, there will be a possibility of changing ownership of the company. So before taking the decision, we have to think about which method, which source is having low risk profile. So remember, if the company chooses issuing more equity share, the there is a possibility of there's a possibility of the other shareholders will collect the remaining shareholders shares, and they will become owners of the company. So there is a possibility of change in ownership. So don't give more importance for issuing that type of shares. You can depend more on the borrowed funds. And control is another factor. The degree of control required over the business is an important factor to be considered while choosing the sources of funds. If you want to share the ownership and control, you can prefer issue of share. If you don't want to share the control and you need more control on the organization, please choose borrowed sources of funds. So remember the points: purpose and time period for which fund needed, risk profile of the different sources of business, and control, the degree of control over the business. And the last two points are effective on credit worthiness. So every time we have to choose the source of funds depends upon the credit worthiness. So depends on certain sources of funds, it may affect the credit worthiness of the company. So every time you choose such a method or source of fund, which will never lose the credit worthiness, goodwill of the company. So we have to choose more importance for giving borrowed funds, sometimes borrowed funds, and depending upon the situation, we have to choose. But never choose such a source which will lose the credit worthiness of the company. And the next point is the flexibility and easiness in collecting funds from the source. So depending upon the flexibility and easiness to collect the funds without any more legal formalities. Normally, people will go to collect funds by choosing the method which have limited legal formalities, and we have to choose the source of funds by by giving consideration to the point tax benefit also. So every time, sometimes some sources have tax exemption. We can choose that type of methods for raising funds. So these all are the points regarding what are the factors affecting while choosing a source of funds. Remember all the points and recall our very concept in this chapter, sources of business finance. So thank you for watching all the videos from this lesson. We will meet in the next chapter, small business. Before that, we just develop all the concept, self-concept regarding all these areas from the chapter, sources of business finance. And thanks for watching my video. Please share with your friends and watch the video again and again for developing your own concepts. Thank you.